Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anand and I'm a full-time software engineer with an all-time passion for value investing. I'm excited to be back after a short break. I have been taking a break from YouTube lately, but I am itching to get back to making videos and sharing my knowledge with you all. Today I want to introduce you to something I have been working on for the past couple of years. You have seen references of it in my previous videos as well, a platform called LetsValueInvest or LVI for short. LVI is a web-based platform designed specifically for value investors. It helps you analyze stocks in a smart way, find their intrinsic value, and make informed decisions. Now, why did I build LVI? When I started learning about value investing, I relied on popular finance websites like Yahoo Finance, Google Finance, and Morningstar, and so on. But they didn't offer the kind of in-depth analysis I was looking for. For example, I wanted to quickly see a company's revenue growth over the past 3, 5, and 10 years. And the only way to do this was to manually copy data into spreadsheets and crunch numbers. This led me to build some models using Google Sheets, which worked for a while. But it was still time consuming. I had to painstakingly copy data and then analyze it. It could take hours just to analyze a single stock. That's when I realized there had to be a better way. So I took my tech skills and built LVI. Now with LVI, I can pull up any US or Canadian stock with 20 years of data and analyze it the way a value investor should. This lets me quickly assess stocks and decide if they are worth a deeper dive. In my opinion, it's crucial for a value investor to be able to say no really quickly and not get overwhelmed by the sheer number of stocks out there. Here is what you can do with LVI. When you pull up LetsValueInvest.com on your browser, you come to the landing page of LVI. Here, you can explore the features and see how LVI equips you to analyze stocks and make informed decisions. I try to keep this page up to date as I keep adding new features and improving the existing ones. To start with, LVI has a menu option called Calculators. LVI offers a compound interest calculator and a CAGR or Compounded Annual Growth Rate calculator. These calculators help you understand the power of compounding and in calculating investment returns quickly. In order to understand the power of compounding, you can watch the video I made on this subject here. I will also provide the link in the description below. Moving on, we have a menu option called Indexes. Using this feature, you can explore the constituents of well-known indexes like S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow Jones, and Russell 2000. LVI assigns a rating to each company based on its proprietary logic, giving you a starting point for your analysis. In future videos, I will explain to you how the rating is calculated and how it is supposed to be interpreted. Next is the suggested reading page that gives you a curated list of books recommended for your value investing journey. These are books that have played a significant role in my own investing experience, and I urge you to read them in the order they are listed. Well, of course, if you have not read them so far. These features were available to you without login. Now, in order to access the remaining feature, you will have to log in. LVI uses secure Google login, ensuring your information remains confidential. Once you log in, you are taken to the LVI's Google style homepage. Now here is where the real fun of exploring a stock on LVI begins. You can just type in a ticker symbol or company name and LVI will pull up all the information you need. Now you are in the overview page. Using the overview tab, you can get a quick snapshot of the stock's current information, including key financial metrics and a fancy graph that shows historical stock prices over different periods of time. Latest news articles are also displayed for your reference, which may help you learn about your company. Using the Financials tab, you can dive deeper into the company's financial health with income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Unlike many other platforms, LVI provides a whopping 20 years of financial data for most stocks. This extensive history allows you to see the company's growth trajectory and make more informed investment decisions. LVI goes beyond just data. Coming from a technology background with zero knowledge about finance or the world of stocks, I very much understand that financial terms can be a barrier for new investors like me. That's why LVI integrates a built-in financial glossary right next to the data. Click on any question mark symbol and you will find clear, beginner-friendly explanation of key terms. Often these explanations include practical examples to solidify your understanding. This makes LVI a valuable resource for self-directed learners, allowing you to build your financial knowledge as you analyze investments. Ratio tabs is also unique to LVI, where various financial ratios are also calculated for the past 20 years, providing valuable insights. Summary View provides a curated list of key metrics from all three financial statements in one place for easy analysis. Next is pros and cons. This is a powerful feature that I have added recently. This basically scans the financial statements and lists strengths and weaknesses of the company, all with a click of a button. Revenue segments will help you understand how the company generates its sales by exploring revenue breakdowns based on geography and products or services segments. Fingraphs tab is the graphic summary of the financial statements. It will help you visualize financial data with interactive charts and graphs. It is always evolving and I would be adding new graphs to it over time. Now let's move on to key insights. This is where LVI truly shines and is the heart of LVI. Built on my passion for value investing, this section uses various metrics to evaluate the company's performance across different areas like growth rates, profitability, management effectiveness, financial health, and valuation. It presents the information in two ways. Simple View. Simple View provides a quick overview of how the stock performs on 10 key metrics and how many checks it passes. Detailed View, on the other hand, is the core of LVI's key insights. Here, various financial metrics are grouped logically and evaluated over the past 10, 5, and 3 years, along with their current or trailing 12 months values. Based on these evaluations, each metric receives a rating in terms of very good, good, average, poor, or bad. Based on the ratings of each of the metric within a group, the overall group gets a rating too. And finally, based on the ratings of all the groups, the ticker itself gets an overall rating. We will go through all this in a detailed video soon. Valuation tab will help you estimate a stock's intrinsic value using various methods depending on the nature of the business. You can specify your discount rate or the rate of return and analyze future performance over 5, 7, or 10 years. The estimator provides real-time projected returns as you input values. The data in the accompanying reference table can be used to see the past data and make informed decisions about future projections. I have been using this heavily ever since I have made LVI online. Please try it out and I'm sure you are going to love it. Now, using the Peers tab, you can compare multiple stocks side by side using their simple and detailed key insights. For your reference, LVI also lists the suggested peers. You can add as many companies for comparison as you want. This helps you evaluate similar companies and make informed investment decisions. Analysts tab can be used to view current price targets and analyst recommendations. While I don't give value to these targets and recommendations overly, LVI displays analyst estimates for revenue and earnings per share for the next 3 to 5 years for most stocks. And sometimes these are helpful to arrive at a reasonable growth rate for the company when estimating its intrinsic value. In the Ownership tab, you can see a breakdown of the company's major shareholders in a clear pie chart. It also lists the top mutual funds and institutional holders. Additionally, the Insider Transactions page tracks insider trades within the company. Under SEC filings, you can explore the company's filings with the SEC, that is Security and Exchange Commission. You can filter by form type and access the documents directly on the SEC website. The document will open up on a new tab. Let's go to the Dividends tab. If the company pays dividends, you will find historical dividend information here. Under Transcripts, you can read quarterly transcripts at your own time and pace to gain insights from management's perspective. Last but not the least, under Profile tab, you can get a quick summary of the company's business operation and basic information presented in an easy to understand format. Next question is, do you want to level up your analysis further? Now that you have explored LVI's core features, let's talk about some additional powerful tools that are available for logged in users. Visualizer. I had so much learning and fun while I was building this page. Visualizer simply unleashes the power of charts. Ever wish you could see a company's financial performance visualized over time? Look no further than the Visualizer. This innovative tool allows you to compare key financial metrics for one or more stocks side by side. Imagine plotting a company's PE ratio in the last 20 years to find out where it currently trades with respect to its historical PE ratios to identify potential opportunities. The Visualizer unleashes the power of charts and empowers in-depth analysis and comparative research, taking your stock assessments to the next level. Give it a try. Now let's talk about Screener. How do you find your perfect investment from the thousands of stocks that are available for selection? If you are tired of sifting through endless stock data, then the Screener is your secret weapon. This filter-based tool lets you define specific criteria such as profitability, growth rate, or valuation metrics and such. LVI then hunts through its vast database and lists companies that match your investment goals. Think of it as a personalized stock discovery engine, saving you valuable time and effort in uncovering high potential investments. Remember, I use these features extensively in my own research, the Visualizer for in-depth analysis, and the Screener to identify promising leads. By incorporating these tools into your value investing workflow, you will be well equipped to make informed and confident investment decisions. And that wraps up this overview of LVI. I hope you found it informative. In the future, I'll be creating dedicated videos for each section to show you how to leverage LVI's full potential. Feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe for more value investing content. See you in the next video.